if you're a photographer and you don't have Honeybook, you probably should just go get it now. It's literally one of the best things ever, and today I'm going to share 10 reasons why I think you need to have Honeybook. Before we jump right in, I just want to let you guys know that I do have a special link for you guys down in the description. This is just for my followers, and it's a free trial for you guys to try Honeybook out for yourself. And then if you do decide you want to sign up, you get 50% off your first year, which is pretty cool, right? So if you have any interest in trying it, definitely check out that link below. And if you haven't yet, be sure to join my Facebook group as well. It's for photographers to connect and grow their businesses together. Reason number one is online contracts. Guys, if you are still using paper contracts, please stop using them. Use something online, and it literally just makes your life so much easier. All you do is have to click a button, and you and your clients can sign contracts online. It's literally amazing. Number two is you can have online invoices. Honeybook allows you to set up online invoices. Your clients can pay online. They can pay you any other way, and you can go ahead and mark it on their invoice, and it sends automatic reminders on when payments are due. So you never really have to email your clients anymore, letting them know their next payment due date is coming up. Number three is having online questionnaires. I literally love questionnaires so much. I use them a lot in my business, and it's really nice having them integrated into Honeybook. You just make the questionnaire, click a few buttons, and your clients can go in and fill it out. Makes it super easy. This allows me to get information from them like the wedding day timeline, the wedding day details, and other things like that I need to know to be able to serve them really well. Number four is workflows. This is without a doubt one of the best things about Honeybook is you can have workflows attached to each client that allows you to have automated reminders on when to do things. So for example, I have a wedding day workflow that I've created. I think it has about 30 steps in it from start to finish, what I like to do for all of my clients. It reminds me to do everything that I need to do for them. And it reminds me to do things that I would otherwise might forget that I like to do along the way. So like it reminds me to send them their wedding day questionnaire a few months for their wedding. It reminds me to make sure I schedule their engagement session. It reminds me to send them certain gifts along the way. So it's just really nice to have that, and you have reminders that are going to tell you exactly when to do those things. You don't have to sit there and try to remember who you've sent questionnaires to and who you sent this to or have done this for. Honeybook is just going to keep up with all of that for you and remind you when to do those things. So going off of that, there is a spot in Honeybook that is essentially a combined to-do list from all of your different projects. So when you import a client, it automatically makes a project page for them. And when you add a workflow to a project page, you can have all those steps that you're supposed to do show up in your to-do list when they're supposed to be done. So you can go to one page, you can see all the different things you do for your clients that week, and it just makes it really, really organized and helps you keep on top of everything. Number six is keeping track of inquiries. So I have my Honeybook contact form embedded on my website, and it's super nice for just keeping up with inquiries and where inquiries are coming from, how many I'm getting all the time, and it's just a really nice way to keep track of these automatically. So if you don't have a system of doing this already, you definitely should be keeping up with it yourself, or just get Honeybook, and you can embed your contact form, and it's automatically going to keep those contacts for you and try to remember where they came from, when their dates were, and all that good stuff, so you can go back and look and see where all your inquiries were coming from. Number seven is the ability to have templates. So you can have templates within Honeybook for pretty much anything, for all of those contracts, those invoices, email templates, questionnaire templates. There are so many different templates you can just go ahead and create in Honeybook. So whenever you have to send something over to a client, you already have it created. You just have to make a few tweaks and send it over, which is super awesome and literally saves me so much time. Number eight is the ability to have project pages for each client. So I already kind of mentioned this, but essentially when you have your project page, it's like your home base for each client. So under your project page for your clients, you'll have things like your contracts, your invoices, your questionnaires you've sent them, and all of the other details of their wedding day or their portrait session or whoever you're serving, all just in one place, and a really easy way to just see what you're looking at. It also has a feed where you can see all of the emails back and forth between you and your clients, which makes it a really easy way to just go back and see what all your communication has been. This is also really nice if you work with a team, and so each member of your team can go back and kind of see what has been communicated with each client. I also love it because I can send emails directly from Honeybook without even having to open my inbox and see all of the other emails that I have to respond to just to send one email. So it helps keep my workflow system more automated, helps me stay more focused on what I'm doing, and I don't get distracted in my inbox if I don't want to do any inbox time yet. Number 9 is the ability to have your calendar integrate from Honeybook to your Calendly to your Google Calendar and all of those things. That's one of my favorite things about Honeybook is that it automatically integrates your calendar into Honeybook. So for example, I use Calendly to schedule a lot of my photo sessions and meetings. So when someone schedules that, it automatically goes to my calendar in Honeybook. It also automatically syncs up with my Google Calendar that's on my phone and my iPad and my computer. And it's just a really easy way to have everything synced up together. And Honeybook will also tell you if there's a conflicting lead or client on the date for a project. So like when someone inquires with my contact form, the Honeybook contact form, and if their wedding date is the same as the wedding I already have booked, Honeybook tells me that, and they're like, hey, it looks like you already have something on this day, so just a heads up, you probably aren't available, which is super awesome, so you know you're never going to double book dates. The final reason why I think you absolutely need to have Honeybook is because it just gives you so much peace of mind and gives you your sanity back. It's just really nice, especially if you have more than maybe like 5 weddings or portrait sessions booked in a year. It just helps you keep up with all of your clients, helps you stay on top of everything, and helps keep everything really consistent from client to client. And know that you're giving all of your clients the same kind of experience from you. So it really just helps to elevate your client experience from the client side as well. It makes their process so much easier because everything's just all online. It's so easy for them to go on and just submit questionnaires, to make payments, to sign contracts, all of that stuff. It might not be as fun to do. It's just so easy to walk them through all of that. So it just really helps to up-level your client experience that you're giving your clients. And it just helps you to stay on top of things as well without having to remember everything that you need to do for each client, and just helps you keep a really good peace of mind and elevate your client experience. Okay, so have I convinced you? If you want to go ahead and give it a try, there's a link for a free trial down below. And then if you decide you want to sign up, you get 50% off your first year, which is pretty cool, right? It's just for my followers and just as a way to say thank you to you guys. I'm so grateful for all of you guys and that you're following along in this journey and that I'm able to share all this with you guys. It's just super awesome. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about how to use Honeybook or anything like that, and I can't wait to share more next week. Bye guys!